Nowadays, a new set of AI tools are coming up every week. And just to be honest, in most of the cases, they're not really good, or they're just built on some old good APIs. That's why I'm creating this series called AI for Creators. So if you're someone who is in the creative field or you just love to create stuff, this series is gonna be handy for you. And for this video, I'll be showing you 5 use cases of the Google's new Gemini 3, or aka the Nano Banana Pro. And as always, there'll be time codes for this video so that you can skip and watch the part that might help you the most. So yes, let's get started. So firstly, let's talk about renders. There are times that you might have thought that how might the final render look, or you just want to explore some options. So with Nano Banana, it's pretty much possible now. Let me show you. So this is a scene from one of my recent projects, and as you can see that I have some textures here and there, but this is not the final look and I just want to explore some more options. So what you can do is you can just turn off everything and just do a viewport render. From here, you will get something like this. And then what you can do is you can upload it, and don't worry, you will get all of these prompts with some extra prompt templates for free in the description. So feel free to check that out. So if I just break it down, here you can see I have just uploaded the viewport render, and then the prompt is pretty much straightforward. I have just described the scene, then I have mentioned that to keep the layout and everything same as the reference, then I have just added some texture that I would like to explore, and then I have mentioned the lighting condition and the overall look that I want. And as you can see, this is the result. And to be honest, this is a quite good render for a starting point that you can explore more. And let's say we don't want the daylight, we want a night scene. Let's change the soft daylight to a night scene plus warm ceiling light, and let's just update the prompt.
1 hour later.
And here you can see that the sun rays are gone and the overall look has changed. So the second one is applying textures. So previously, you know that we can extract textures using AI models, but with Nano Banana Pro, you can directly apply textures to your objects. So let me show you how. Let's say we have this image and we have this 3D model and we want to have this texture on those models. So what I'm going to do is let's just do a quick viewport render and let's just save it. And now what we need to do is let's upload our image to Gemini and then also upload the real image. Now let's just write a quick prompt. Apply the real images texture to the 3D biscuits. And let's just hit enter and wait.
20 minutes later.
So here you can see that we got the image with the texture from the real image. With just a viewport render and with the reference image, you can just directly apply it. And I think this will really help to try out new textures to your model before applying them. So in this case, you can see that you don't have the full control as it's not giving you the exact 3D model with the texture. That leads to our point number 3, extracting textures. So in this case, let's just upload the reference image that we used previously, and let's just do a simple prompt. Extract textures from this image. I need to mention the biscuit as we are extracting the biscuit texture only.
2 hours later.
So yeah, here you can see that we got the textures. And let's say we just want one big seamless texture. So give me just one big seamless texture to use in 3D model. Let's see what we get.
20 minutes later.
So here you can see that we got the texture. It's pretty much clean, quite to the point. And if we compare it with the real image, there are 5 holes and some black dots. There are 5 holes and some black dots. Here you can see that the accuracy is pretty much good. And as we don't have any sponsor for this video, you can use my tool, the Texture Map Generator. From here, you can generate the normal ambient occlusion, roughness, metallic, and height map. And you can also do some upscale. Let's upscale this image. And then just select your image, and it will generate all the necessary maps that are required to make a PBR texture. So here you can see that the map is generated. We can press exit, and here you can see that we got a folder, and inside it we got all the maps that we need to make a PBR texture. So feel free to check it out in the description. Let's say you want to use image to 3D AI model, but for that, in most of the cases, you need a clean image of that object. So here you can see that I have an image of the Beast City from the Beast games. If you haven't watched it, go check it out. It's totally insane. So here you can see that it has a lot of objects, and if you feed this image to 3D based AI model, it won't actually recognize every object individually or accurately. So here, let's say we want only this portion. So let's just take a screenshot of this and let's paste it to Gemini. Here I will just write a simple prompt. Extract this object from the image and give me an clean background.
20 minutes later.
So here you can see that we have extracted the image, and you can easily use this image in any image to 3D based AI model. It will really help you to get an accurate model from any image to 3D based AI model. It can be Tripo, Meshi, Rodin, or any model, but this will really help to get a better result. And finally, number 5, adjusting your existing renders. So this is an existing render from our previous video, and let's say I just want to explore some more color options. So what I can do is, let's just simply drop this image here and let's just write a quick prompt. Change the color to a purple tone and let's just hit enter.
1 hour later.
So here you can see that we got a purple version of this, and if you look at the text, you can see that these are pretty much accurate. Product visualization, blending visuals, it made it 5 here. I don't know why. And if you have tried it previously with other AI models, you can clearly see the change, because previously images with text or like maintaining this accuracy was not possible. But with this Gemini 3 or Nano Banana Pro, it's pretty much accurate here. If this video was helpful, feel free to give a like because it really helps in the YouTube algorithm. And also if you have any kind of questions or confusion, feel free to drop them on the comment section. And if you want to have a more personalized interaction, feel free to join the Discord server. And finally, you can check out other videos from here. And also if you want to see how our team was able to boost their efficiency by 9 times with the help of AI, you can check this video. And I will see you there. Ta-da.